For the customer looking for the latest in impact driver technology and innovation, DEWALT is proud to present the new 20V Max lithium-ion line. The 20V Max line will be sold in addition to the 18V line. The 20V Max quarter-inch impact driver offers the performance, ergonomics, and innovative features users expect from DEWALT. Available with both a 1.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery and a 3.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, the quarter-inch impact driver has a compact design that is only 5.55 inches from front to back for work in tight spaces. This lightweight quarter-inch impact driver also provides 3 bright LEDs located around the chuck with a 20-second delay, giving the user visibility without shadows in dimly lit situations. Impact drivers have a higher RPM than drills and feature no kickback, resulting in less fatigue for the user. The 20V Max quarter-inch impact driver runs up to 2800 RPM, 15% faster than the DEWALT 18V quarter-inch impact drivers on the market, and features a one-handed loading chuck that accepts 1-inch bit tips. The DEWALT 20V Max quarter-inch impact driver also ships with a metal belt hook that can be positioned on either side of the tool. Compact, lightweight, fast, and feature-filled, the 20V Max lithium-ion quarter-inch impact driver is ideal for remodelers, electricians, steel stud framers, and mechanical HVAC professionals. DEWALT 20V Max lithium-ion, maximum performance.